Hi! In front of me is HONOR X8, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this HONOR. First of all, you need to locate Tools folder. When you find it, click on it. Then tap on the Recorder app. Following that, to start your recording, select this red button. Then click on Allow in the pop-up. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, tap on this right button at the bottom. In order to add a bookmark, select the left one instead. To end it and save it though, click on the middle one again. As you can see, after that, my recording was successfully created. If you want to play it, click on it. If you wish to rename it, go back, hold it, and select Rename at the bottom. Then type in wherever you wish to and save your new name by tapping on OK. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it as well. But this time select Delete option at the bottom in the middle. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!